Welcome guys to this channel. So today I will cover an important application of greedy technique, that is minimum cost spanning tree, MST. So this topic we will cover in different parts. So in this lecture I will discuss some basics of minimum cost spanning tree, that is MST. So let us start minimum cost spanning tree. So first of all, some basics related to graph. So the very first is types of graph. तो कितने टाइप के ग्राफ होते हैं वो हम डिस्कस करते हैं. Null graph is with no edges. Okay, null graph means no edges. There is no edges, no edges. And graph is basically a collection of v comma e. So where v stands for vertices, set of vertices, and e stands for set of edges. This we know, this is very basic. Okay, null graph means no edges are there. Okay, or otherwise this is having no edge, so only vertexes are there, so that is null graph. So second is regular graph. So what is regular graph? Regular graph means all vertex must have same degree. All vertices have same degree. Okay, or what is degree? So degree is degree of vertex degree of a vertex, number of edges connected to that vertex, number of edges connected to that vertex. तो उस वर्टेक्स से जितनी भी एजेस कनेक्टेड है ना, सो वो उसका क्या होगा, डिग्री. तो क्या होता है, ऑल वर्टिसेस हैव सेम डिग्री, दैट इज रेगुलर ग्राफ. जैसे इसकी बात करें तो हर वर्टेक्स की डिग्री कितनी है, 1. सो दिस इज नोन एज 1 रेगुलर ग्राफ. दिस इज 1 रेगुलर, और अदर वे ऑफ सेइंग k1. Okay, 1 regular graph. Let us suppose this is a graph and this is having इसमें सभी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री कितनी है, 2. दो दो कनेक्शंस है ना, दो दो एजेस हैं, तो सारे वर्टेक्स की डिग्री सेम है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज 2 रेगुलर ग्राफ. 2 रेगुलर. So 2 regular represented by k2. Okay, and same here, इसमें हर एक वर्टेक्स की डिग्री कितनी है, 3 3. So this is 3 regular graph. So this graph is what? This graph is 3 regular. 3 regular, or other way of saying it is k3. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. And null graph is what? Null graph is 0 regular. Null graph is 0 regular or kg. Okay, so null graph is 0 regular. So this is about what, null graph and regular graph. And there is one more important term और formula related to regular graph. तो रेगुलर ग्राफ में अगर n वर्टेक्स हैं और वो k रेगुलर है ना, फॉर एग्जांपल k रेगुलर मीन्स हर वर्टेक्स की डिग्री कितनी है, k. तो उसमें नंबर ऑफ एजेस कितनी होंगी, नंबर ऑफ एजेस इन नंबर ऑफ एजेस इन kn is equals to n into k divided by 2. सो जस्ट टेक दिस एज एन एग्जाम्पल. इसमें n कितना है, फर्स्ट ग्राफ में n है हमारा 4, तो n की वैल्यू है 4, और k रेगुलर मीन्स k कितना है इसमें, 1 रेगुलर है ना, तो 4 इंटू 1 डिवाइड बाई 2, सो मीन्स 2 आंसर. तो इसमें नंबर ऑफ एजेस कितनी है, 2 है. सिमिलरली अगर हम इसमें देखें, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ना सेम. Okay, this is also same. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो सेम. इसमें कितना है, नंबर ऑफ वर्टेक्स आपके हैं 4, और 4 वर्टेक्स है तो n की वैल्यू हुई 4, और k कितना है, कितने रेगुलर है 2, सो k की वैल्यू 2. n इंटू के डिवाइड बाई 2, 4 इंटू 2 डिवाइड बाई 2, सो दिस विल रिजल्ट एज 4. नंबर ऑफ एजेस कितनी है इसमें, 4 है. सिमिलरली दिस फॉर्मूला इज एप्लीकेबल ओवर हेयर ऑल्सो. इसमें हमारा n कितना है, हमारा 4 है, और कितने रेगुलर है, 3 रेगुलर. सो 4 इंटू 3 डिवाइड बाई 2, so 12 divided by 2 means 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is an important formula related to what? Regular graph. कि if in a regular graph, uh, k regular graph with n vertices means kn, number of edges will be what? N into k divided by 2. Okay. So I hope that this is clear to you. And similarly it is also applicable over null graph. So it is also zero regular. So zero regular means k की value कितना है, 0, n है 4, 4 into 0 divided by 2 means 0. So that's why zero number of edges. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. Now next is complete graph. So what is complete graph? Complete graph is if in the given graph every vertex, so this is written over here, that if in the given graph and every vertex is adjacent to all other remaining vertices is called complete graph. Means connection सभी जगह होना चाहिए, ठीक है. और अदर वे ऑफ राइटिंग दिस कि every vertex is connected to all other vertices. ओके, सो दिस इज अ कंप्लीट ग्राफ है ना. सो ये कंप्लीट ग्राफ है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इसमें n की वैल्यू कितना है, n की वैल्यू है this, n value is what, 4. ओके, अगर n की वैल्यू 3 है तो कंप्लीट ग्राफ क्या होगा, n की वैल्यू 3 के केस में लाइक दिस, ठीक है, लाइक दिस. तो इसमें हर एक जो आपका नोड है, हर एक वर्टेक्स है, वो अदर वर्टेक्सेस से कनेक्टेड है. जैसे 1 2 से कनेक्टेड है, 3 से, 2 1 से कनेक्टेड है, एंड 3 से, 3 इज ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड टू 1 एंड 2. ओके, सिमिलरली इफ n वैल्यू इज 2, so what is the case, like this. Okay, each vertex is connected to, so okay. Or other way, if n equals to 5, so let us take this also as an example. If n equals to 5, if n equals to 5, so देखिए 1 यहाँ कनेक्टेड है 2 से, 3 से, 4 से एंड 5 से. 2 भी कनेक्टेड है 1 3 4 एंड 5. 3 is also connected 1 2 4 and 5, and 4 is also connected 1 2 3 and 5. So this is what, complete graph. Okay, with 5 vertices. So there is an important formula that number of edges in complete graph with n vertices, number of edges in complete graph with n vertices is always equals to n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So this is an important formula. Okay, this is an important formula. नंबर ऑफ एजेस, इसको हम अप्लाई करके देखते हैं. जैसे हम फर्स्ट केस में अप्लाई करते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट केस, कि आपका n कितना है, यहाँ पे 4 है, तो 4 इंटू n माइनस 1 मीन्स 4 इंटू 3, 12 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, सो इट इज 6, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. Similarly, n is 3, so 3 into minus 1, so 3 into 2 divided by 2, so it is 3, 1 2 3, and so in same case is in n equals to 5. So what if n equal to 5, so 5 into 4, 20 divided by 2 is 10. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 10. Okay. So it is applicable in all the situations. Okay. I hope it is clear. So number of edges in K regular. K regular. Okay. So this is K regular means Kn, of course. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. Null graph, regular graph, and as well as complete graph. So some formula like uh, complete graph with what n number of vertices is what n minus 1 regular. So this is what this we can write it as Kn. This is not Kn. This is just like 0, 1 regular. Okay, 2 regular. No need of writing K. K stands for complete. Okay, n regular. This is n regular. That's why I'm writing last n regular. Okay, so this is a null graph, regular graph, and complete graph. And complete graph with n vertices is n minus 1 regular. So you can check. This is complete graph with 4 vertices. This is K4. This is K4. This is K3. This is K2. And this is what? This is K5. Okay, so complete graph with n vertices. So complete graph with 4 vertices is 3 regular. So see, this is 3 regular. All the vertices having 3 degree, hai na? And complete graph with 5 vertices is 4 regular. So see this 4, every vertex की degree कितनी है 4. So that's why this is an important formula that complete graph with n vertices is n minus 1 regular graph. Okay, the number of edges in a complete graph with n vertices. So this I already told you that it is what? N into n minus 1 and divided by 2. So this is the thing, number of edges in Kn. Okay, so this is the same thing. And the number of edges in n vertices K regular graph. So this already I told you that n into K divided by 2. So this is n multiplied by K divided by 2. So this is what? This is number of edges in K regular graph. Okay, so this is one type of one categorization of types of graph. Now next is, okay, find number of there is one question, find number of simple graphs with n vertices. So number find number of simple graph with n vertices. So in case of n equals to 1, अगर एक vertex है, so what is the possible number of graph? Only this. Okay, or if n equals to 2, अगर दो vertex हैं, then what are the possibilities? तो one possibility हुई कि 1 and 2 like this, और another possibility होगी कि 1 and 2. So how many graphs are possible? 2 graphs are possible. Okay, for n equal to 2 के case में. And for n equal to 3, let us take n equals to 3. So for n equal to 3 के case में कितने possible होंगे? 1, 2 and 3 this. Okay, or let us suppose 1, 2 and 3, दोनों के बीच में कनेक्शन है. Then 1, 2 and 3, इन दोनों के बीच में कनेक्शन है. Other possibilities 1, 2 and 3, 2 और 3 के बीच में कनेक्शन. Okay, they are connected. और other or with n equal to 3, so 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 और 2, 3 के बीच में कनेक्शन है. एंड 1 2 और 1 3 के बीच में कनेक्शन है। अदर 2 3 और 3 1 के बीच में कनेक्शन है। ओके, एंड वन मोर पॉसिबिलिटी दैट सभी कनेक्टेड है, ऑल आर कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल। ओके, तो अगर हम इसमें बात करें कि नंबर ऑफ सिंपल ग्राफ्स कितने हैं, तो यहाँ देखिए n इक्वल टू 1 के केस में कितना है, 1 आया, ठीक है। और n इक्वल टू 2 के केस में नंबर ऑफ सिंपल ग्राफ्स कितने हैं, नंबर ऑफ सिंपल ग्राफ्स इसमें आए 2, दिस एंड दिस। n इक्वल टू 3 के केस में सिंपल ग्राफ्स so let me write over here, so for n equal to n and number of simple graphs, so for n equal to 1, number of simple graph is 1. For n equal to 2, number of simple graph is 2. For n equal to 3, number of simple graph is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so there is a formula that for number of simple graph with n vertices is always 2 raised to the power n into n minus 1 divided by 2. This is a formula. Okay, so number of simple graph, so let us apply over here. So is it possible that 2 raised to the power 1 is what, 1 into 0 divided by 2, so which is nothing but 1. Here 2 raised to the power 2 into 1 divided by 2, so it is 2. And here 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1 means 2 divided by 2, so 2 2 gets cancelled, so 2 raised to the power 3. So in general if you follow, अगर 5 नंबर ऑफ वर्टेक्स होंगे तो नंबर ऑफ सिंपल ग्राफ्स कितने होंगे, 2 रेज टू द पावर 5 इंटू व्हाट 4 divided by 2, so 2 2 जा 4, 5 2 जा 10, so it is 2 raised to the power 10, which is nothing but 1024. So this is a simple formula that number of simple graphs, so this you are supposed to keep in mind that number of simple graph with n vertices is 2 raised to the power n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so this is one important concept. Let us move. Okay, now again types of graphs. So types of graph, undirected and directed. So here in this particular diagram, okay, so 1 to 2 it is valid, okay, and there is means there is an age from 1 to 2 connection it is valid, and 2 to 1 it is valid. But in this case 1 to 2 it is valid, but 2 to 1 it is not valid. Okay, because it is having directed, so directions are also means available on the edges, then it is directed graph. Okay, so this is about directed and undirected graph. Now let us move. Next is types of graph again. So they are connected or disconnected. So what are connected graph? Connected graph means there is a path. Okay, so connected means, meaning of connection means we can move, means there is a path, there is a path from every pair of vertices. There is a path between every pair of vertices. There is a path between every pair of vertices. Okay, there is always a path between every pair of vertices, or other way of writing we can reach all other vertices from each and every vertices from each and every vertex. So there is a connection, and disconnected means there is not a connection. So this is a graph which is having means four nodes, like this is 3 and 4, not 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So 1 2 3 4, but there is no connection, means you cannot reach from 4 to 1 also, this is disconnected. तो यहाँ एक प्रॉपर्टी बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी है कि अगर कोई कनेक्टेड ग्राफ है विद एन वर्टिसेस तो नंबर ऑफ एजेस जो है उसमें मिनिमम होगा n-1. ओके, सो in a connected graph with n vertices, in a connected graph with n vertices, so minimum number of edges must be n-1 always. Okay, but it is not the true in reverse order that अगर किसी ग्राफ में n-1 एजेस हैं तो वो कनेक्टेड हो, ऐसा नहीं. बट दिस इज गारंटी दैट इफ अ ग्राफ इज कनेक्टेड then minimum number of edges is n-1, maximum may be more. Okay, so this is I think written over here that connected graph with n vertices should contain minimum n-1 edges, like this, n-1 edges. Okay, this is also type of graph. So there is an important asymptotic notations or some important significant based on this. If a graph is represented by g of v comma e, so what about the number of edges? So this I am writing over here all the things once again. So edges is always what? Vertex into v minus 1 divided by 2. So in a case of complete graph के केस में ये होता है. तो अगर हम asymptotically बात करें, so asymptotically E is order of मीन्स मैक्सिमम केस तो क्या होगा, कनेक्शन के केस में होगा कि मैक्सिमल कनेक्टेड है. व्हाट इज मैक्सिमल कनेक्शन ग्राफ? इज कंप्लीट ग्राफ. सो दिस इज ऑर्डर ऑफ v square. Okay, so this number of edges is what? Order of v square. This is an important thing. Now next is कि मिनिमम कनेक्टेड का केस क्या है? मिनिमल कनेक्टेड, दिस इज मैक्सिमम कनेक्टेड. मैक्सिमम connected, or other way of saying complete graph. Okay, minimal connected क्या है? E is greater than or equals to some v minus 1 always. So this is what? Minimal connected property. Minimum number of edges for connected graph. So this is the minimum number of edges for connected graph. Okay, or other way of saying it is what? Connected property. So minimum की बात कर रहे हैं. So this is the best case. So best case time complexity will be what? Or best case representation for this is what? E number of edges in best case omega of v. So this may be the case. Okay, or in average case, so in average case also E is equals to theta of v. Okay, otherwise you can take log on both the sides. तो अगर आप log लेंगे तो log of E, because these properties are important है ना, ये यूज होता है कि अगर log of E asymptotically, we are talking about asymptotically, so log E is equals to log V. Okay, so अगर हमें वर्स्ट केस की बात करना है या वर्स्ट केस में नंबर ऑफ एजेस कितनी हो सकती हैं, सो दिस इज इन अ ग्राफ इज ऑर्डर ऑफ v स्क्वायर. ओके। और बेस्ट केस में कितनी हो सकती है कनेक्टेड ग्राफ में, ओमेगा ऑफ वी, एंड इन एवरेज केस इज थीटा ऑफ वी, है ना, and also log equals to log v asymptotically. Okay, so maybe few people have doubt that e equals to uh, what, e equals to something like order of v square, है ना, or otherwise saying e equals to v square. So taking log both sides, so if we take log both sides, so log e equals to log v square. So this is nothing but log e equals to 2 times log v, and asymptotically log e equals to log v. That's why I'm writing it in short. Log e is equals to log v, like this. Okay, so that is written over here. So I hope that this is clear to you, because ये हमें कई जगह इस्तेमाल हो सकता है ना. Okay, now come to spanning tree. What is a spanning tree? Okay, so definition for a spanning tree is a connected subgraph h of a graph g v comma e. एक ग्राफ ऑलरेडी गिवन है v comma e, v वर्ड नंबर ऑफ वर्टिसेस, e नंबर ऑफ एजेस, तो उसका कनेक्टेड सब ग्राफ is called as spanning tree if it contain the following properties. So first is what, first property is it should contain v vertices, and next property is what, next property is it should contain v minus 1 edges. For example, this g v comma e is given. Let us suppose this, okay, 1 2, and this is 3, and this is, let us suppose, 4. This is given, this is a graph g. Okay, this is a graph g. Now spanning tree, अगर हम बात करें इसका, spanning tree h, spanning tree and representative. तो स्पैनिंग ट्री, कई सारे स्पैनिंग ट्रीज पॉसिबल हैं, जैसे दिस इज ऑल्सो स्पैनिंग ट्री, 1 2 1 2, this is 4, and this is what, this is also a spanning tree. Okay, and this is also a spanning tree, like 1 2, okay, 3 and 4. This is also a spanning tree. So these all are spanning trees, है ना. तो अगर हम इसमें ऑब्जर्व करें, if we observe very carefully, so इसमें नंबर ऑफ एजेस कितनी है, इसमें हमारे नंबर ऑफ वर्टेक्स n कितना है, 4, है ना, और ठीक है, और नंबर ऑफ एजेस कितनी है इसमें, नंबर ऑफ एजेस 6. नंबर ऑफ एजेस डजेंट मैटर, है ना, n वैल्यू ओनली मैटर, नंबर ऑफ वर्टेक्स. तो जो हमारा स्पैनिंग ट्री आया, इसमें n तो हमारे पूरे हैं, नंबर ऑफ वर्टेक्स कितने हैं, 4 के 4, एंड एजेस कितनी होना चाहिए, एजेस मस्ट बी n minus 1, दैट इज 3. So yes, 3 edges. That's why it is a spanning tree. Connected है, ठीक है, and also connected, not disconnected, connected. So and also connected. So these two, and also connected. Okay, अगर हम यहाँ ऑब्जर्व करें, so n equals to 4, और ages कितनी है, ages must be n minus 1, that is 3, and also it is also connected. So these two are what, these two are spanning trees. These two are spanning trees of the given graph. So right now I am talking about a spanning tree only, है ना, not minimum cost spanning tree. So this is the spanning tree. Means एक ग्राफ आपको गिवन है, उस ग्राफ का आपको एक ऐसा कनेक्टेड सब ग्राफ बनाना है, नॉट डिसकनेक्टेड, जिसमें वर्टेक्स सारे के सारे कवर हों, बट एजेस लेस देन 1 वर्टेक्स होना चाहिए, है ना. सो दैट इज द, और लेस देन 1 वर्टेक्स मीन्स इट इज कनेक्टेड, मिनिमल कनेक्टेड. ओके, सो let us move. So find number of spanning trees for the following graph. Okay, so how many spanning trees are possible? So this is the given question. Now, how many spanning trees are possible? So let us take 1, 2, and 3 and 4. This is a spanning tree. Yes. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is also a spanning tree. Next is what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. एक और कौन सा हो सकता है? Okay, in between. So that is 1, 2, 4 and 3. ये हो गया. और what are the other possibilities? Other possibilities are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me draw, then you will get it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so this is the case like this. 1, otherwise like this, not this, like this, like this, or otherwise this is also the case. ऐसा भी हो सकता है, connected है. और अदरवाइज एक और ड्राइंग क्या हो सकता है इसका मिनिमम कॉस्ट स्पैनिंग ट्री का, लाइक दिस. ठीक है. So 4 possibilities from there. 4 here, 4 here. Now some other possibilities. Let us draw. 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what are the other possibilities? Like this, N shape. Okay, and like this, Z shape, and reversal of N. Reversal of N is like this. The reversal of Z is so like this. This. Yes, so these are also 4 possibilities, and a few more possibilities are also there. Let us draw those also. क्या पॉसिबल हो सकता है? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what may be the other possibility? Other possibilities are this. Yes, ये हमने नहीं ड्रॉ किया. Yes, we don't draw this. हाँ. और similarly फिर सभी जगह से हो सकता है like this, and here also it is applicable like this, and from here also this action. So this. Okay, so total number of spanning trees. Number of spanning trees. How many number of spanning trees are there? Number of spanning trees is what? 16 in this case. So number of spanning trees, is 16. Okay, so this is what this is a complete graph. Okay, so I'm writing over here one important formula for Kn. Kn means complete graph with n vertices. So for complete graph with n vertices, number of spanning trees is equals to n raised to the power n minus 2. So just verify whether this formula is correct one or not. So this is very important formula, that number of spanning tree, okay, is n raised to the power n minus 2. So just verify it by yourself. For n equal to what? 4. अभी n की वैल्यू है 4. 4 कंप्लीट ग्राफ है, कंप्लीट ग्राफ विद 4 वर्टिसेस. 4 की पावर 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 की पावर 2 is what? 4 square means 16. So number of spanning trees are 16. Okay, let us solve one more question. So the question says that find number of spanning tree for the following graph. So how many spanning trees are possible? So spanning trees. Spanning trees. How many spanning trees are possible? So this is 1, 2, and 3. This is one spanning tree. Connected? Yes. This is another spanning tree. It is also connected. Yes. And this is also one more spanning tree which is also connected. Okay, so number of spanning trees is what? 3. So number of spanning trees is 3. Number of spanning tree is equals to 3. वेरीफाई करें तो इट इज व्हाट K3. K3 के केस में क्या होगा? सो इट इज K3. K3 के केस में 3 raised to the power 3 minus 2. So which is 3 raised to the power 1, which is 3. So this is the case. Okay. So this is the case of number of spanning tree for the graph, complete graph with n vertices. Okay. Now let us do some more. So yes, the number of spanning tree in a complete graph with n vertices is always what? N raised to the power n minus 2 always. And the number of rooted spanning tree in a complete graph. तो हाउ मेनी रूट्स आर पॉसिबल? अगर n वर्टेक्स है तो n रूट्स पॉसिबल है ना? तो n वर्टेक्स है तो n रूट पॉसिबल है. तो बेसिकली नंबर ऑफ स्पैनिंग ट्रीज कितने पॉसिबल हैं n वर्टेक्स में? कंप्लीट ग्राफ में n रेज टू द पावर n माइनस 2. और नंबर ऑफ रूट्स पॉसिबल कितने हैं? n. सो इट इज n इंटू n रेज टू द पावर n माइनस 2. सो विच इज नथिंग बट n रेज टू द पावर n माइनस 1. So this is the rooted spanning trees, है ना. Rooted spanning tree in a complete graph with n vertices, and simple spanning trees in a complete graph with n vertices. So already I told you that. Now, is this formula is applicable here also? Let us check. So this is not a complete graph. We cannot apply. We can't apply what? N raised to the power n minus 2 here. Why? Because it is not complete graph. It is not a complete graph. That's why we cannot apply. Okay, so now how many, now what will be the answer? How many spanning trees are possible? So number of spanning trees, so 4 spanning trees are simple, very 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 3, 2 and 4, and 1, 3, 2 and 4, and 1, 2, 4 and 3. So what are the possible connection? Simple connection like this. ठीक है, फिर इन दोनों के बीच में ब्लैंक छोड़ सकते हैं लाइक दिस. आउटर तो सभी होंगे, ठीक है. फिर हम लाइक दिस वी कैन लीव some U shape like this. 4 spanning trees. And what are the other possibilities? Other possibilities क्या हो सकती हैं कि 1, 2, 3, 4. अदर पॉसिबिलिटी क्या हो सकती है कि इस तरीके का पॉसिबल है वन साइड, ठीक है. इसका रिवर्स अपोजिट साइड भी पॉसिबल है लाइक 1, 2, 3, 4. like this. Okay, and whatever n shape is possible. Yes, of course n shape is possible. So like this, n shape is possible like this, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what are the other possibilities? That I think this shape is also possible. This shape is also possible. This is connected, and remaining is this one. Yes, this is also possible. 1, 2, 3 and okay. Other things are not है ना in order, means आप और इसके अलावा और कुछ ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते. जैसे अगर मैं ड्रॉ करना चाहूँ, सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. जैसे मैं इस तरीके का ड्रॉ करूँ, ठीक है, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज ये लिंक ही नहीं है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. अदरवाइज इस तरीके का अगर हम कर देंगे, सो दिस इज नॉट ए स्पैनिंग ट्री, दिस इज नॉट ए स्पैनिंग ट्री, है ना. सो मीन्स नॉट पॉसिबल, मीन्स ओनली 8 स्पैनिंग ट्रीज आर पॉसिबल फॉर दैट, है ना. नंबर ऑफ स्पैनिंग ट्रीज is what? 8. So formula is not applicable. Why? Because it is not a complete graph with n vertices. That's why. Okay. Next time we will seek Kirchhoff's theorem to find number of spanning trees, for some other graphs which is not a complete graph or some other thing. So I hope that you enjoyed this lecture. And finally we are at the end of this lecture, and the remaining part of the minimum cost spanning tree, like Kirchhoff's theorem, Kruskal's algorithm, Prim's algorithm, we will cover in the consecutive lectures. Okay, so Happy learning to all of you. Stay safe.